Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to understand Credit One's reward programs. So it's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing to do is to review the reward programs terms and conditions. Next, you got to understand the types of rewards that are available. You got cashbacks, you got points. Just understand the types of rewards. And next, you got to review the reward earning structure. It could be a 1% cashback on your purchases, 2%, whatnot. You got to make sure you review the earnings structure, and you need to understand the reward redemption process. That way to make things easier when you're trying to redeem them. Do make sure to review and understand the reward programs exclusions and limitations, because they exist, and you got to be aware of them and know exactly what they are. And you need to consider using the Credit One reward calculator to estimate your reward earnings. And you can also review and update your reward preferences as required. And in case you run into any issues or snags, you could just contact Credit One's customer support, and they're going to help you to deal with those concerns. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to understand Credit One's reward programs. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.